Could the foods you eat every day be secretly cutting years off your life? In our quest for longevity and vibrant health, the foods we consume play a crucial role. While some items are celebrated for their health benefits, others can significantly hinder our well-being and lifespan. In this video, we'll dive into the top 8 foods you absolutely should not eat if you want to live longer. From hidden sugars to unhealthy fats, these common culprits may be lurking in your pantry or on your plate. Join us as we uncover these dietary pitfalls and empower you with knowledge to make healthier choices for a longer, more fulfilling life. Let's get started. Number 8. Excessive alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some health benefits, excessive intake can lead to a myriad of health issues, including liver disease, heart problems, and increased cancer risk. Alcohol is high in empty calories, contributing to weight gain and obesity, which are significant factors in reducing lifespan. Unlike other foods on this list, excessive alcohol can also impair judgment and lead to risky behaviors, further jeopardizing health. Compared to the higher-ranked items, which may be more insidious in their effects, excessive alcohol is a more obvious danger, making it crucial to recognize its impact on longevity and overall well-being. Number 7. Fried foods. Crispy, golden, and undeniably tempting, fried foods are a staple in many diets, but their allure comes with a hefty price. Packed with unhealthy trans fats and calories, these foods can lead to obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. The frying process not only strips away nutrients, but also creates harmful compounds that can accelerate aging and inflammation in the body. Unlike excessive alcohol, which can impair judgment, fried foods often masquerade as comfort food, making them easy to overindulge in. As we move up the list, the dangers of fried foods become more pronounced, highlighting their role in undermining long-term health. Number 6. Artificial sweeteners. Often marketed as a guilt-free alternative to sugar, artificial sweeteners can be deceptively harmful. Found in countless diet sodas and low-calorie snacks, these synthetic substitutes may disrupt gut health and metabolism, leading to weight gain rather than loss. While they provide sweetness without calories, studies suggest a potential link to increased cravings for sugary foods, creating a vicious cycle of unhealthy eating. Unlike fried foods, which are overtly unhealthy, artificial sweeteners can easily slip into a seemingly healthy diet, making their impact more insidious. As we climb the list, the hidden dangers of these sweeteners become increasingly alarming for those seeking longevity. Number 5. High-sodium foods. Often found in processed snacks, canned soups, and fast food, high-sodium foods can wreak havoc on your health. Excessive sodium intake is linked to hypertension, heart disease, and stroke, making it a silent killer in many diets. While they may enhance flavor and preserve freshness, the long-term consequences far outweigh the short-term satisfaction. Unlike artificial sweeteners, which can mislead consumers into thinking they're making healthier choices, high-sodium foods are often consumed without awareness of their detrimental effects. As we move higher on the list, the urgency to eliminate these sodium-laden options becomes clearer, emphasizing their role in shortening lifespan and compromising health. Number 4. Refined carbohydrates. Found in white bread, pastries, and sugary cereals, refined carbohydrates are stripped of their natural fiber and nutrients, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can result in increased hunger and cravings, often causing overeating and weight gain. Unlike high-sodium foods, which may be consumed for flavor, refined carbs are often marketed as convenient and tasty options, making them deceptively appealing. Their consumption is linked to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease, positioning them as a significant threat to longevity. As we approach the top of our list, the detrimental effects of refined carbohydrates become increasingly critical to address. Number 3. Trans fats. Often lurking in processed foods, baked goods, and margarine, trans fats are notorious for their harmful effects on health. These artificial fats are created through hydrogenation, which increases shelf life but simultaneously raises bad cholesterol, LDL, levels while lowering good cholesterol, HDL. This double whammy significantly heightens the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Unlike refined carbohydrates, which may provide quick energy, trans fats offer no nutritional benefits whatsoever, making them a true dietary villain. As we near the top of our list, the urgency to eliminate trans fats from our diets becomes increasingly clear, underscoring their severe impact on longevity. Number 2. Sugary beverages. From sodas to sweetened teas, sugary beverages are a leading contributor to obesity and chronic diseases. Packed with high fructose corn syrup and refined sugars, these drinks provide a quick burst of energy but offer no nutritional value. The body metabolizes these sugars rapidly, leading to insulin spikes and subsequent crashes that can leave you craving more. Unlike trans fats, which are often hidden in processed foods, sugary beverages are overtly marketed as refreshing and enjoyable, making them deceptively enticing. As we approach the top of our list, the alarming impact of sugary drinks on health and longevity becomes increasingly undeniable, demanding our attention. Number 1. Processed meats. From hot dogs to bacon and deli meats, processed meats are at the top of our list for a reason. These products are often loaded with preservatives, sodium, and unhealthy fats, which have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. Unlike sugary beverages, which may provide immediate gratification, processed meats can have long-term detrimental effects on health, making them a silent threat. Their convenience and savory taste can easily lead to overconsumption, further exacerbating health risks. As we conclude our list, the urgency to avoid processed meats becomes crystal clear, highlighting their significant role in shortening lifespan and compromising well-being. We've explored the top 8 foods you absolutely should not eat to live longer, ranking from excessive alcohol at number 8 to processed meats at number 1. Each of these items, fried foods, artificial sweeteners, high-sodium foods, refined carbohydrates, trans fats, and sugary beverages, poses significant risks to your health and longevity. Understanding the impact of these foods empowers you to make better dietary choices. We encourage you to delve deeper into the effects of these items and consider healthier alternatives. If you're ready to take control of your health and live a longer, happier life, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body, so choose wisely for a longer, healthier life.